Alright, so when a daddy tool loves a mommy tool a whole bunch, and you throw this into the mix, you know what? I don't know how that works. Anyways, to the man cave. Alright, welcome back to the shop. Now, generally I don't do unboxing or first impression reviews. Not that I have anything against them. But generally I like to take the, the item out of the box, use it for a while. Then I'll give somebody my opinions on it like they really matter. But my one subscriber asked or suggested that I should do a unboxing video. Alright, cool. I'll do one. But I guarantee you this is not a multi-tool probably that most of you ever seen. Well, I don't know. Maybe some of you have, but it's not the typical multi-tools like we are used to on MTO. So, further ado, I'll get you a better view there. So, the reason why I got this, clamp her down in there good. Reason why I got this, seen this video of this guy named AVE, and you can learn a lot of stuff from his channel, but the guy is just funny as all get out. But I will warn you, he is not family friendly. But he had this tool on here that absolutely blew my freaking mind, and it incorporates a lot of those tools right there, if you can see them. Well, I got the old Blue Point snap-on. Hell, that thing is older than I am. But I figure since I'm doing a unboxing video, I would try to make it as interesting as possible. So let's get started. Put a little bit of Joro oil there. And we'll cut her open. Uh-oh. Corn tack. Why you no work? Seriously, why you no work? Ha! Guess that's what happens when you buy cheap. Give me a second. Well, I guess it would help if I probably turn the outlets on. And, yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. Sorry about that. Now, let's get busy. Time. All right. It is a Rastol's S12H miner's wrench. Oh yeah, look at that beauty. Huh? Finger finder. Got a nut lathe on it. Oh man, there's like no play in that thing whatsoever. Wow, look at that. You see that? Look at that. And there's no play in the jaws. All right, miner's wrench. Actually, now I think about it, Rastol. Thing's how you pronounce it. If I'm correct, those are made in Canada. I believe that is a Kanukistan tool. Cool. I hand it to you Canadians up there. That is a nice tool. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Cheers. Ready, come.